Hi guys, welcome back to the back end of the dart. Before we start, I'd just like to say this video is sponsored by Patreon. Special shout out goes to Nathan Holloway in this one. Thank you very much for your support. So today's video is water pump here has gone. It works but it lets all the water out, so we need to replace that. I've got a new one on bus, so we need to release the belt tensioner, undo the two bolts, pull this out, put the new one in, belt back on, hunky dory, fill it back up. Should be an easy job, but it's not. So I'm just going to go get my tools and we shall begin. So 13mm spanner, if I can get it to actually turn on here. Anyway, turn is a go. There we go. That should loosen the tensioner. I believe. Go get the pry bar. So we're on second thought now, and the bumper has to come off for this. So you can't get enough leverage on this tensioner. So, a bit of fining in the bumper is not tight in place. He's off. I get rid of some of this oil as well first. Get rid of some of that crap and all off it while we're here. Time with the right bush for the job. To get the start of it off. I can now get this bloody belt tensioner. Belt's off, right. Ow. So now belt is off. Got to undo the two bits there and the pump should come out. Oh, I've got a feeling I'm going to need extended. I'm going to need a bar as well. B10 needs a new one anyway. One out. Let's see if we can get this one here. Nope, looks like we're going to be on the spanner for that one. We just look at the spanner. Because the access to that one is piss poor. Unfortunately, I don't have the like ratchet spanner thing, so I'm stuck with doing this by hand. And that's that one off. So now, in theory, according to the instructions I've been given, this should just pull off. Yeah.
On yours, for when you're doing it.
1 minute. Turns out the bus had quite a bit of water in it still.
Wow. A lot of water.
So class.
Fuck me.
That pump's fine, it's just the O-ring that's gone on that.
I don't want numpties to use it, and there's quite a bit. Yeah.
Put it on the B10, Jonathan.
On
The B10.
with 310. Nice. Oh yeah, and then I know where it is if I need a bit more if work for whatever.
But anything that's not really being used.
Yeah.
Stick on there. Buses are the way. So all the water's come out. We have one big pump. And we'll swap O-ring on there.
Oh, you're not at the back. Oh, you're still at the back.
Yeah, I'm still at the back.
I'd rather share it with you, knowing where it's going,
Yeah.
than any fucking Tom, Dick and Harry take it.
Ah, yeah, I know what you mean.
Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Can I borrow you for a second?
What?
So can I borrow you for a second?
What do I?
Well, this pump holding in place so I can put the screws back in it. My new pump. It's got shiny parts.
I'm just going to pull that out. I'm going to fix that back end now. Because he's got some paint left to go over it.
Can't find the holes.
I bet that's what you always say.
They're there, aren't they?
Yeah.
There.
Needed to go up a fraction.
Yeah. Right, that'll be fine now. It's just getting that initial
Yeah, you
bolt.
want to get the other one in as well.
Yeah, the cunter one, because there's a pulley in the way.
Is it in the hole?
Yes.
Yep.
Yep.
Happy days.
Just tighten them up. Might need you out to put the...
Water? There are more water in than he thought.
So, now, nice and simple, do this back up. Nice and tight. Yeah, squishing that locking nut there, so that's on. And the top one I have to do by hand, because once again can't get the spanner in there because it's only there. These buses are from the day when the mechanics turned up at the side of the road and the toolbox got brought out. Nowadays the mechanic turns up and it's just the mechanic gets out the laptop and that's that. Right, so now let's put the belt back on. That's right. I'll break my neck on that. Let's just tighten this back up now. I can get rid of the full extension. So now I just need possibly Jonathan. Barring. Not the sort of fully approved way of doing this, you know. Yeah, just have a look, work it out. I can't see it. So
When everyone folds, your fork still holds your place in your bed, showing no regret. Close your eyes to hide your lies, roll the dice. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. You're playing it cool.
Thank you so much for watching. For more of this, pop over my YouTube channel, and if you're not another one at some of this other content, we currently have a V10 and heavy dark that we're working on. Thank you so much.
Early to go. The drive wheels digging, this rock and roll rig is the side pipe singing. On the radiator mile, the fan belt is screaming and the bear drawn out for ride. Well, you will hear it coming.